All right, guys, so I got a question. This is a wrap truck right here, and I'm here at Lake Gunnersville getting ready to put the spaceship in the water down here in Alabama. But my question for you guys is, when are you supposed to wrap your truck? If you're a professional fisherman or whatever this guy is, when is it right? Should I wrap my truck? Like, I don't understand. Are you supposed to have like a certain amount of followers? Would you guys wrap your truck if you had a lot of followers? Like, what does this guy think he's doing? I'm looking at this guy's truck and it says Fluke Master. Has anybody ever heard of the Fluke Master? I feel like I have, but I'm also not super entailed with who that is. It says Gene Jensen. Has anybody ever heard of this guy?